What's up, babe? Say hey. You about to try some? Oh, ooh, ooh. Oh man, we're gonna hold this. Maybe this can go right above here. Think that'll stay? No. Sent to me, an Australian candy that landed in the U.S. We have different flavors. We got watermelon. Oh wait, you try to get your hands on it.
I said strawberry.
You want strawberry? Okay, we got watermelon.
The watermelon is there.
We got strawberry, and we got grape. Let's see. Alright, watermelon first. How it tastes?
What's good? It's not real sour.
Not real sour. Like subtle.
It's more like on the sweeter side too.
It reminds me of like a
Mamba.
But I like the sour because it don't stop. It's like it's in there. It's like a Jolly Rancher. You know? The sour get more sour the more you chew.
It's like a Mamba.
What kind is that?
A strawberry.
That's really good. I mean, it's long lasting, like a Laffy Taffy. I get Ryan and see that in the shower. A strawberry. That strawberry hit like one. Remember them creamsicle ice, like them candies? Like it was like strawberry, but it was like cream and strawberry. It was so good. That's what it tastes like.
Not what it tastes like.
Or when them like strawberry daiquiri candy.
Maybe.
Okay, you try it.
Blueberry. Blue raspberry.
Oh, these so good. Yes. Zappos. Where they say you can find them at? Damn, these is good. These is perfect right now. These is great. I wonder if these good when I'm pregnant. They ain't made me feel bad.
Hopefully not.
The blue raspberry, it kind of like a ginger taste, huh?
You got a blue raspberry taste to me.
Really? Kind of threw me off a little bit. I will say the watermelon is the most sour one.
I'd say so. The strawberry the best one.
The strawberry the best one. Well, I ain't tried grape yet.
Common grape.
Grape usually good though. Common or not.
A grape Jolly Rancher, but anything else grape, mid.
So the best top shelf, most sour. That's the best. Let's get Ryan and see here. Try sour. Let me try this purple one real quick before we get out of here with this little crazy stuff.
Trash.
The grape trash?
Right here.
Completely?
CJ.
I like it. CJ. Come here. I want to have some candy. Come over here. On this side.
Stop candy. Mama, I want that.
Just wait. I'm giving y'all this one.
Candy.
They just sent it to me.
Candy.
It's watermelon, okay?
Thank you.
Here.
Watermelon.
Open it and try it here. Keep chewing it. Is it good? What it taste like?
Watermelon. Watermelon flavor.
Is it sour? Not too sour?
And they bring that one in my room.
I'll give y'all one. Here. Y'all can have one. Wait, hold on. Let me give y'all a raspberry one. So. Here.
You probably watch a family movie.
Yeah. You like to watch a movie?
You like to watch a family movie.
Now I want to watch my movie. I like my movie better than yours. Mama, I like my movie better than yours.
Well, we're about to watch a family movie.
I want to watch my movie. I like my movie, Mama.
Exactly.
I like my movie. I didn't watch it.
What's right there?
Go watch it for a little bit. We better watch a movie in a minute.
One watermelon.
Mm.
You know? My whole time.
Ooh. Doing rock, paper, scissors.
What?
For the grape or the water. I mean, not for the grape, for the strawberry or the watermelon.
Well, you could be in one. I'm cool.
Now you gotta rock, paper, scissors for it.
For what? All because of the one.
I'm not giving you neither one. I'm saying if you don't want to, you beat me. Either one, we can share them. We're gonna share everyone. Damn, you're not gonna know to eat.
High.
You said what?
You put them on your hiding places.
I ain't got no high places. I ain't got no high places. That's strawberries. That boy head. So, grape, raspberry, they ain't terrible, but
You ain't getting no shit.
I was hoping for the grape. The grape was like real artificial grape.
What was that going to be? A real refrigerated grape?
Some grapes be so juicy, like lip smacking good.
Only dry around.
That time, the entire community came together and decided to move your house for you.
That watermelon. I think my favorite is the watermelon.
That was number one. Living life.
Oh my god, that whole video deleted it.
Basking in your own achievements.
Yeah, right.
Doing things your own way.
I didn't even stop it. It ended.
And it's
Had 10 minutes and did not say.
philosophy here at World's Funniest
Wow.
Radio Top 10 Countdown. We'll see you next time.
The pressure is getting worse.
What can it for?
Ask for the remote control to play it.
What the remote?
Not where. Ask. Please change the remote control so I can play the TV.
When the boys found Mom's old dress mannequin head in the garage,
That's not what I
they just
said.
couldn't help themselves.
Well said. Do you want to play with me?
Say,
Mom
please, can
sometimes
I?
wishes she had
You
daughters.
tell me what the remote control is.
Had the remote control.
Adding the glow to bring you the hits.
I don't know where it's at. Go look on bed. Wow. My video for Instagram deleted.
And all the moments that make life worth living.
So I guess we gotta do it again.
No international borders.
Good thing they gave us 2.
Everywhere on the planet. This is the world's funniest
So good.
Top 10 Countdown.
Alright, y'all.